My name is Stefan Reil. I'm Head of Development at Quattro GmbH. We are a 100% subsidiary of the Audi AG, headquartered in Neckarsulm, Germany, with offices in Ingolstadt. The name Quattro comes from 30 years ago, where Audi was famous in the Rally World Championship with the Audi Quattro, and we've now perfected the Quattro drivetrain for high-performance street cars. Since 1983, Quattro GmbH is responsible for the individualization of cars, the RS models, like here the TTRS, and the Audi collection, which is design articles that we've sold over 2.5 million of those articles last year. We are also responsible for the Audi customer racing vehicles. And today I'm pleased to be here to introduce the newest and hottest RS model in the US, the 2012 TTRS. In the past, we've only had RS model based on A4 and A6. This is now the first time we took Audi sports car TT to turn it into an RS model. The TT has a perfect base for doing it because of its aluminum space frame hybrid body, the lightweight technology. It's just the perfect base. And why are we doing this? Because we are passionate of performance.